Okay, now we talk about rationalizing the surds. Rationalize, the name is rationalize the denominator. Okay, what does it mean? Rationalize. Rationalize it means for this third fraction, right? I make denominator no surds. It means no irrational number. I just make the denominator become rational number, or just it means become integer. So I don't want here has surds. I don't want denominator has surds. So how do we do? So we just what? We just times 1. Now we make 1 become, I just times square root 2. You just times the same number with the denominator, and here you need to times square root 2. Equivalent fraction. So the answer becomes 2 over 3 square root 2. 3 square root 2 over 2, right? Square root 2 times square root 2 becomes 2. And 3 times square root 2 becomes 3 square root 2. This is our answer. We call this process is called rationalize. Okay? It means rationalizing the surds. Okay? Like this. It's the same, right? We times what? We times square root 7. And times square root 7. So answer becomes 7 and bottom becomes 3 square root 14. Right? Top becomes 3 square root 14 and bottom becomes 7. Right? Denominator becomes 7. 7 is integer, is a rational number. Okay? How about this one? The same. I just all times square root 5. And here bracket times square root 5. So we become distribution law. Bottom is 5 and here is become 2 square root 5 minus square root 15, right? Okay. Fraction addition. So we need to rationalize first. Times square root 3 times square root 3. Here times square root 2 times square root 2. So we become square root 3 over 3 plus square root 2 over 2. I want to combine the fraction, so how do we do it? Here times 2 times 2. Make denominator become the same. Times 3 times 3. Therefore become 2 square root 3 plus 3 square root 2, right? 6 plus 3 square root 2 over 6. Therefore become 2 square root 3 plus 3 square root 2 over 6. Right? Okay. E. Oh, there are two terms. Binomial products. Remember, this is called binomial product. So how do we make here become integer? So we need to use one very important formula. That's why I need to keep the formula here. Complete square and the difference of perfect square. Which one we should use? This one. Difference of perfect square, because we can produce a square and minus b square, we can cancel the third. So now we have square root 5 minus square root 3, right? We need to times its conjugate. Do you remember what it's called conjugate? If a plus b here, right? A minus b is the conjugate of a plus b. And if you have a minus b, a plus b is the conjugate of a plus b, a minus b. Understand? These two, they are conjugate with each other. A plus b is conjugate of a minus b, and a minus b is conjugate of a plus b. So we need to use the difference of perfect square. Now we have a minus b, so we need to times a plus b, right? So we need to times what? We need to times square root 5 plus square root 3. Here, bracket, we times square root 5 plus square root 3. Okay? So what happened for here? Here become square root 5 square. A minus b times a plus b become a square minus b square, square root 3 square. Top distribution law, so 5 square root 5 plus 5 square root 3. Square root 5 square become 5, right? 5 minus 3, right? Here become 5 minus 3, right? So the answer become, bottom is 2 top is 5 square root 5 plus 5 square root 3. Okay. Now you already understand how to call conjugate. How to use the difference of perfect square to solve this one. I think you can understand. Square root 5 plus square root 2. So we need to times what? Times square root 5 minus square root 2. Here times square root 5 minus square root 2. Right? So what do we get? So we get what? A squared minus b squared. So we get square root 5 squared minus square root 2 squared. So here distributional. This one times this one, we get a square root 10. Minus square root 2 times square root 2 is 2. Square root 5 times square root 5. Square root 3 times square root 5, we get a plus square root 15. Square root 3 times negative square root 2 become minus square root 6. And here become 5 minus 2, so becomes 3. So the answer will become 3. It becomes 3. And here is square root 10 minus 2 plus square root 15 minus square root 6. Okay? Okay, that's our rationalize.